Hello children, we are going to discuss now from today onwards something related to the biochemic group of drugs. Now basically all of you must be knowing something or the other about the biochemics, but now let us revise and again then go by step we'll go to the different drugs. Okay. Now what is, yes, before that let us name the 12 biochemics. Yes, you will remember it as 5 phos. Okay, ferrum phos, calcarea phos, kali phos, natrum phos, meg phos. Okay, 3 sulf, calcarea sulf, kali sulf, natrum sulf. 2 mures. Okay, natrum mure, kali mure, and finally silicea and calcarea fluor. So there are 12 biochemic group of drugs. Now, what is biochemic system of medicine and how does it work? Okay, in short, okay, all of you know it, so we'll go in short only. So now, it is a system of treatment which was introduced by Schussler. He himself has claimed and પોતે જ કહ્યું છે કે it is something different from homeopathy. It is not related to homeopathy. So you cannot link biochemic with homeopathy. Yes, in your treatment you can give homeopathy and biochemic together, but it is not related to homeopathy. So what this system says is it is a separate system of therapeutics which is based on the principle of deficiency. Everyone knows it. That doesn't mean that always there is some deficiency and you are going to fill it up. Okay, unap, deficiency matlab unap. Okay, so that doesn't mean that there is some deficiency of a salt in the body and you are going to fill it up and the patient is going to get cured. No, it is not like that. If you read in detail, if you understand in detail, sometimes you can say that there is adequate amount of salt in the body. Okay, there is adequate amount of salt in the body, but there is disturbance or rather lack in the continuity of arrangement of the molecules of that salt in the body, and that is why the dysfunction is seen. સમજ પડી? બાયોકેમિક સોલ્ટ્સ છે બધી, તો ઘણી વખત આપણે એવું જ કહીએ છીએ કે ઇટ ઇઝ અ ડેફિશિયન્સી બેઝડ ઓન ધ પ્રિન્સિપલ ડેફિશિયન્સી. વેરી મચ રાઇટ. બટ ઇફ યુ ગો ઇન ટુ ડિટેલ તો એ લોકો એવું કહેવા માંગે છે કે દરેક વખતે કોઈ સોલ્ટની ડેફિશિયન્સી નથી હોતી. ઓકે, કોઈ સોલ્ટની ડેફિશિયન્સી નથી હોતી, પણ એની અંદર ઘણી વખત એના જે મોલિક્યુલ્સ હોય, એ જે સોલ્ટ ઇનફ છે બોડીમાં, પણ એના જે મોલિક્યુલ્સ હોય એનું જે કન્ટિન્યુએશન હોય બોડીમાં, એનું જેના લીધે એનું ફંક્શનિંગ થતું હોય એ ડિસ્ટર્બ થઈ જાય છે અને એના લીધે એક ડેફિશિયન્સી ડિઝીઝ ક્રિએટ થાય છે. Got it? So the problem is at the molecular level, the arrangement or the continuity or loss of equilibrium of the molecule sometimes. Not always, but sometimes even this is true for the patient to be given biochemic medicine. So when we give some remedy, when we give some treatment, biochemic treatment to the patient, the deficiency of the salt or the deficiency of the molecule is covered. Got it? It may not be in quantity, but it is very minute. It goes and rearranges the lost equilibrium in the molecules, and once again the continuity is achieved in the molecules and they start functioning. So this is how biochemic system of medicine works. If you go into detail, you will understand it like this. Got it? The body may require calcarea phos, so much calcium phosphate. It may require 5 grams, 7 grams, 8 grams. That doesn't mean you are going to supply 10 grams of calcarea phos and finish it off all. Calcarea phos can always be present in the body, but there is loss in the equilibrium of the molecular arrangement in the body, and that is why what happens, there is all dysfunctioning and it shows all the signs of deficiency of calcium phosphate. So when you supply biochemic calcarea phos, or when you supply any dash dash medicine, whatever you feel like, you will see that the body will gradually start functioning. So what it will do, it will go and rearrange, or it will go and re-establish the discontinuity. It will go and rearrange the disturbed equilibrium in the molecules, so that the body will once again start functioning properly. Since all this problem is the molecular level, the medicine that we are also going to give is at the molecular level. Got it? So this is the basic understanding of biochemic group of medicines on which the medicines are working, the principles, the deficiency, the rule of principles. Many a times we see there are so many homeopathic medicines which also contain the biochemic salts. If you go into detail, if you study into detail, there are so many homeopathic medicines. Let us take one by one. Ferrum phos, okay? तो फेरम फॉस किसके अंदर मिलता है? तुम्हारी होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन जो चाइना है, जेल्सीमियम है, विरेट्रम है, आर्निका है, फाइटोलाका है, रस्टॉक्स है, उसके अंदर आपको फेरम फॉस मिलेगा. गॉट इट? कैलकेरिया फॉस कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? चाइना, फाइटोलाका, बर्बेरिस. गॉट इट? नेट्रम फॉस यू विल गेट इट इन हेमामेलिस एंड र्यूम. Caliphos, you will get it in Pulsatilla, Baptisia, Rustox, Digitalis and Cactus. Calimure, बराबर? Calimure biochemic salt, you will find it in Phytolacca, Sanguinaria, Semicifuga, Pinus and Hemamelis. Natrum mure, you are going to find it in Citron, Arum triphyllum, Sickelicor, Semicifuga. Calcarea flor, you will find it in Phytolacca. Silesia, you are going to find it in Equisetum, Lycopodium, Graphitis, Sickelicor. Calcarea sulph, you'll find it in Epocinum, Asafoetida. Natrum sulph, you'll find it in Epocinum, Iris versicolous, Chamomilla, Lycopodium. Kali sulph, you'll find it in Pulsatilla, Hydrastis, Semicifuga, Phytolaica, Viburnum. And lastly, Magphos, you'll find it in Belladonna, you'll find it in Viburnum, you'll find it in Stramonium, Colocynth, Rustox, and Graphites. So, these are what you will see. So, we have to understand basically the principles of biochemic system of medicine. And now, I am going to deal with a drug and I'll make you understand it in further detail.